Here, Pollard Ford. Want to thank you for taking the time today to check out this video. If you have any questions, give us a call or come and see us South Loop 29 in Indiana.
We are pleased to show you the 2018 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front license plate bracket, steering wheel controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Pollard, we make owning a new Ford affordable.